Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after this turn off menu appears you have to hold your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, you just tap OK and your device will be restarted in a safe mode after that. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, what you have to do is to just restart your tablet and it will be restarted in a safe mode. In a normal mode, I mean. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.